Hi everybody, Mystery here. Hope you are well, hope you are safe and enjoying your time at home. We all miss you very, very much. Thought it was time for another forest school video. One of the things I've enjoyed doing whilst being at home is spending time looking outside at my garden and watching the birds come to the bird feeders. And I thought it would be a good idea to do a video talking about making our own bird feeders for home, because some of you might not have them, you might not be able to go out to the shops to buy them, but you can make them with things from home, and I'm going to show you how to do it today from a milk carton like this one. Okay, all you need is the milk carton, a pair of strong scissors, some form of nail or sharp implement to make some holes, a stick to go through it, and if you want to you can use some paints to decorate. So we're going to go through how to make it, and I'm going to show you some links as well to some other ideas that you could use if you didn't want to do this one, and we'll see what we can create. Okay, so first things first, still got the lid on my milk bottle to help the milk carton stay rigid as I use my sharp pin to make some holes in the base. Now you might want to get an adult to help you with this because it's quite tricky. You have to press quite hard and you're using a sharp pin. So here we go. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to make a couple of holes in our milk carton for our perch, and where we're going to start to make our opening for the birds to get the seeds from. So pop our pin through and make two holes, one a couple of centimetres higher than the others. Then you can use your stick to make that hole a bit wider. The bottom one will be for your perch, and you can trim that down to whatever length you want it to be. And then the one a bit higher here is where you're going to start to use your scissors to cut an opening here for the birds to get to the seed at. So you might need to make it a bit bigger again, so you could use something like a paintbrush handle or a pencil just to make that a bit bigger again. And then you can use your scissors to make that hole again. Make sure you've got an adult with you while you're doing this so that you don't hurt yourself. Okay, and there you go. That's what you can see. There's the hole. I've made it quite small so that only the small birds can get in there, because I don't want any of the big birds coming to scare them away. Right. Okay, now comes the fun bit. I'm going to decorate mine. I'm going to use some acrylic paints, so I'm going to have to be careful not to get anything on my clothes, but you can use anything you can find around the house. Could be stickers, could be paints, could be paper, whatever you'd like to. So let's see what it looks like. There you go. It's my little scene. My bird went a bit wrong, but I've got a bumblebee and some flowers. And there, a little ladybird and a nice bright sunshine. There is my bird feeder decorated. The only thing left to do now is wait for that to dry, and then I can put some bird seed inside it and hang it up, ready for the birds to enjoy their tasty lunch. You could also make a bird cake, and I'll put some recipes and some links in the video at the end, along with the ones about the different types of bird feeders you can make. But it'd be really great to see what you can come up with, how creative you can be, and do something good for your wildlife in your garden. Take care everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye.